23rd of October.
I've been writing it all day. Friday the 23rd of October 2020, and we are staying 2 nights at, we've been there before, Put's Corner, Caravan and Motorhome campsite in...
It's halfway between Honiton and Sidmouth.
Halfway between Honiton and Sidmouth. We went there, was that our first campsite?
First night after lockdown. First stay away after lockdown.
So that's where we're going. Plans for the weekend, depending on the weather. I think the weather's a bit, not quite sure, bit of a mixture. If, on an ideal world, the weather was absolutely spiffing all weekend, we would be going on the tramway thingy at Seaton Tramway, the Sidmouth Donkey Sanctuary, because we sponsor a donkey there called Ashley. Anywhere else? Don't know. So it all depends on the weather. It's sort of sunny now, but there is a bit of cloud, and it's going to be getting on for 6 o'clock.
It's 6:05.
6:05. There you go. So see you later. Later. Hello. Didn't do anything yesterday because it's raining all day. It was horrible. It was windy, so there was no point. Today is Sunday. I have no idea how it 25th, 2020. There's a campsite, really nice campsite. Come to Seaton, and we're going to attempt. It's meant to be open to go on the Seaton Tramway. Been on it before. It's really nice. I don't know what it's going to sound like because I haven't got the microphone on the phone. Yeah, paid for a double car parking space in the car park behind us. So hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, so we were the last ones to make it on the top. Alright, so where does it go?
Colliton.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Where?
Colliton.
Colliton.
Yeah.
How many miles away is that?
It's about 3.
About 3 miles. It's really nice. It's worth doing it, isn't it? How much is it?
£12.
£12 each?
Return. I think you can go
Return, yeah.
times.
Alright, so it's probably £12 each for the whole day, you think. And it is really worth it because you're keeping something alive, aren't you? You're keeping history alive. Anyway, so bon voyage us. Back to the empty, isn't it?
There are 2 or 3 lines up there, some bouncy people up there. We'll even be running down an old branch line, an old railway branch.
he's just look, he's driving there. So he said that they were going to turn this into a halt with a picnic area, so that you can get off the tram and get back on it. But obviously, what with the lurgy and everything, they ain't done it. That noise was the kingfisher, wasn't it? Yeah. Looks like it flew past it. Build another halt on this little bit because you've got the, what do you call it, the Seaton wetlands behind. Seaton wetlands in there. So they're going to build another halt here, the bridge going over the little river here. So going into the nature reserve. We're waiting for another tram to pass us. She's coming here. A toilet. Okay, so that's the train we just got here on, and we're probably going to get the same tram. Sorry, tram, not train. Tram. Probably going to get the same one back because we're going to sit at the front at the top. Okay, we've got on it and we're going back. We've got a seat at the front,
Which is the
same two seats like that. Oh. Same two seats we sat in, which were at the back, it's behind us. So we're going that way. It's the same day, and we've driven about 6 miles from Seaton to Sidmouth to the donkey sanctuary. Oh, another motorhome coming in. Don't normally have to book your tickets, but we found out that you do for the car park space because it's half term. But normally I don't think you do need to. It's free to get in, but you sort of like, you haven't got to pay donation, but it's donation. So I'm going to try to find Ashley, our sponsored donkey, somewhere. He's in, what did you say?
Shelter 4.
Shelter 4 somewhere, but we might go to the shop first. It's quite a good shop. Oh my god, don't eat me. Hello. Oh. Haven't got any carrots. Have you seen Ashley anywhere? We're looking for Ashley. No? Rude. Anybody seen Ashley? Smells a bit horse stroke donkey pooey smell. There's the sea. I don't know. Ashley's meant to be in this shelter, but he's not. Wow, it says that Ashley is meant to be in this shelter. There he is. There's our boy. I don't know. Bilbo Baggins. Mr. Carney was in there. Zena and Rosie we saw in there, I think. Oh, we've all decided now to come in. He's got to be in there somewhere. It's a bit very muddy. Yep. So glad I got my wellies on. Ah! Can't even get there. Ah. Oh, that's not even. No, I think I might actually give up. Hello? Hello? I'm going to give up. Ashley's in there somewhere anyway. It's very messy. Oh well, let's go.
Yeah.
So we're on the way back. Yeah, Saturday was a bit of a ball shape really. It was just raining and really windy, so we just stayed at the campsite. Yeah, so today Tramway was good. Donkey Sanctuary, a little bit disappointed. Just basically, I'm assuming because of COVID, there weren't many donkeys about. Usually, it's like quite big and you can walk around, spend quite a long time there, but really pushing.
I suppose because it was COVID, they were all in the sheds, weren't they?
Don't blame them.
Out in the fields.
Yeah. So we shall go back. We shall take you to the donkey sanctuary. Maybe in the summery, springy summer, when hopefully all this donkey business is over. Oh, I've just seen a flying pig. So yeah, so we're on the way home. So I think that's all. I don't know what we're doing next weekend. Like I say, we'll take each week as it comes now. What was that like caravan down there? Right down there. Yeah, so until possibly next week, say bye. Bye, cheers.